There's nothing saying don't climb it. There's no lock. Yes, there's a cage around it, but it's not locked. So MES 1935 Faunce fire tower. Four more of these after this, something like that. Actually, the knee that I landed on earlier today feels fine. It's the other knee that's suddenly the tired one. Getting there, bike's looking small. Ooh, those are unfriendly guys. And there's a hive of them. Cool, let's just keep going. Whew. Holy shit. I'm glad I came up here. Maybe not glad I'm doing it in my rain gear. I'm so out of shape. And there would be something on here to figure out what direction the fire was, but here, I'll do this and then I'll get out of the way. Do a 360 spin on the camera. Actually replaced the broken glass up here, whatever pain that was. Cool. I can just barely see the bike. See if I can get a picture of it. And then the rope to the door breaks off and I'm stuck up here. Not going to leave my mark up here like so many others have. There we go. Like a greenhouse up there. And now it's probably done raining. Wouldn't that be fun? Okay, 1, 2, 3 more to the wasp nest. guys just stay over there. And I'll stay over here. Nobody needs to do nothing. You can have your fire tower back. Whatever sort of horrible stinging thing you are living in there. It is considerably cooler up at the top. Oh, there's another one. Not the tippy top, not the house on the top, but the top set of stairs. That was fun. I don't know if those berries are edible or not, so I better not edible the berries. Et up all the berries, get it? Exercise makes me queasy. Well, I made it. Whew.
He didn't even die.